Life's sweetest moments are often found in the simple joys like sharing a delicious treat with the ones you love. And when it comes to the perfect cookie, Crisp and Chew delivers an unforgettable experience. At Crisp and Chew, we believe the classic oatmeal cookie deserves its moment to shine. We've perfected the magical blend of crispiness and chewiness, offering a delightful crunch with a satisfyingly chewy center. From classic favorites to adventurous new creations like our delightful blueberry pancake or the comforting warmth of apple cinnamon, our unique flavors are designed to delight every palate. We use only the finest ingredients, from premium oats to the richest chocolates and freshest nuts. Every batch is baked with love and care, ensuring each cookie meets our high standards of deliciousness. Crisp and Chew cookies are more than just a treat. They're an invitation to share good times, create memories, and simply enjoy the moment. Ready to share the goodness? Refer a friend today and spread the joy of Crisp and Chew.